In this video, we're going to test out the Hercules Impulse 500 controller. Let's jump in and test it out. Hey gang, it's me, Graham Farmer from Data Transmission. In this video, we're going to test out the Hercules Impulse 500 controller. Now we shot this video again in the summer, as per the previous video, with the Adam Audio T8V speakers. Again, we shot it in the summer. I've just not had a time to edit it because of homeschooling and lockdown. Again, my daughter helped me with this video, so there's some comical bits where she just ad-libbed on the filming. So I've left them in, they're comical, I think they're hilarious. See if you can notice when she just sort of ad-libs, it's pretty funny. We're going to dive in, we're going to unbox this, go through features, test it out, and give you our little review. Let's jump in. So what we got? Instructions, cable, and just a controller, and that's kind of essentially the basics. This controller works with Serato DJ Lite and the Hercules have their own deduced software. We're going to download that software and stick it onto the MacBook, and then we can test out the controller. Let's get it out of the box first. That's the box. Get rid of that. Take it out of the wrapper. So we've got the controller. Looks pretty nice. It's got some little feet stands on the bottom. Lift it up off the ground, which is quite cool. Right, so on the back we've got balanced outputs for XLRs and RCA outputs. We've got a mic input. We've got aux input, so you can actually have an aux in there as well. So as usual, standard breakdown, we've got 2 decks, we've got the mixer section, we've got 2 channels, got some really nice big chunky buttons. These are really nice to hold and feel, really well constructed. These obviously for loading the tracks in, you can choose a track. These are big jogs, big nice buttons that got a nice click on them. Nice controllers, nice crossfader, good big filter controls. Same kind of setup on both sides. Vinyl slip modes. You've got a loop, a slicer, and a hot cue. Obviously syncs and loops and stuff. You've also got controls to the mic, and you've also got for the aux as well, and an aux filter as well, which is quite cool. So let's plug it in and test it out. This is a really good piece of kit. It's really good quality for the cheap price. I'm really impressed. These buttons are really nice. We've tested it out, it's really cool. Works nice, good for learning. Really good entry-level controller, I really enjoyed it. Really good, loads of packed full of features. So really get your bang for your buck. If you're thinking about DJing, get one of these, they're really cool. Really good quality. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found that informative. Did you notice when my daughter was ad-libbing? I think I might have edited them out, but we'll see. See if you can see. If you notice in the captions, drop me a note. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel. Please drop us a comment if you've got one of these, you've played with one of these, or if you're new to DJing and you want some more knowledge on these. Just drop me a little comment and I can jump in and speak to you in the comments. Thank you again for joining me on YouTube. I'm going to be back next week to tips videos. I've got a whole new series I'm planning. They're going to come in next week. Thanks again for joining me. I've been Graham Farmer. I'll see you in the next video.